You are going to love the 2019 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, compass, power brakes, wireless charging station, electronic brake force distribution, rear floor mats, real-time traffic. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.